In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Coursera and in your browser. If you prefer a softer look that's easier on your eyes, especially at night, dark mode can make a big difference. I'll show you two reliable ways to get that darker experience on Coursera and in your browser. We'll start with a browser extension that can force websites into dark mode. Then we'll look at your browser's built-in dark theme so you understand what each option does. First, let's use a third-party extension, such as Night Eye. Open your browser's extension store and search for a trusted dark mode extension. Install it, and once it's added, head to the Coursera website. Look for the extension's icon near your address bar. Click it and toggle dark mode on. You should see the page switch to a darker palette almost instantly. If it doesn't change right away, refresh the page and try again. Many extensions also let you control the intensity of the dark theme or apply it only to specific sites. That's helpful if you want Coursera in dark mode but prefer other sites to stay as they are. If a page looks odd, toggle the extension off for that site and turn it back on later. Extensions work well because they restyle the page content itself, so most elements, including backgrounds and text areas, turn dark. Next, let's enable dark mode for your browser. Some browsers, like Chrome, offer a built-in dark theme. Open your browser's settings, look for the Appearance or Theme section, and choose the Dark option. The changes apply to your browser's interface, the tabs, address bar, menus, and settings pages, so everything around the web content looks darker and more comfortable. Keep in mind, this doesn't always make websites themselves dark. Unless your browser has a specific setting to apply dark styling to web pages, or you're using an extension, sites may remain in their regular light theme. That's why the extension method is ideal if your goal is a consistently dark experience on Coursera. To wrap up, use the extension when you want Coursera's pages to actually switch to dark mode, and turn on your browser's dark theme to dim the browser's interface. Try both approaches together for the most comfortable viewing. Visit Coursera, toggle your extension on, and confirm the darker look. If anything looks off, refresh the page or temporarily disable the extension for that site. With these two options, you can study longer with less eye strain and a cleaner, more focused screen.